गाने याद करने वाले अभी आए हैं। नहीं इससे पहले
Hi everybody. I really want you guys to listen to me because it's less of a speech, more of a true story, a life experience. So here it goes. Congratulations, बेटी हुई है आपको त्यागी जी. Thank you. बिल्कुल मेरी जैसी है. पंडित जी कुंडली देखेंगे इसकी. जजमान, जीवन तो बढ़िया है, पर एक दिक्कत है. लड़की आप पे भारी है. क्यों पंडित जी, क्या हुआ? जिंदगी भर अपनी मर्जी चलाएगी. And 23 years later, here's Nikita अपनी मर्जी चलाती हुई. I decided to do it for the plot. Thank you so much. You know, my dad always wanted me to pursue BTech. And that was not because of pride, of ego, of his status in society, in front of his friends. It was more because he saw people pursuing BTech as successful people. He had seen them successful in life. He wanted that for me. There's a shlok in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, shlok 5, which I create content about, that your mind can be your best friend and the worst enemy. It's not just a quote, it is from Bhagavad Gita. And I decided, let's make it my best friend. Because when my father wanted me to pursue BTech, I had decided anything but BTech. So there was this calling in me that I will ultimately do something around business, but the stage kept calling me. This very stage kept calling me. In some way or the other, it was sometimes dance, it was sometimes speaking, it was sometimes hosting, sometimes acting, but it was the stage. So I kind of figured out I'll do a degree of my choice and then ultimately figure out something artistic during the whole process. Meanwhile, my father, he was upset a little, disappointed a little more, concerned the most, because he wanted me to have a safe, secure life. He wanted me to be happy. But my dear friends, safety is an illusion. You know, you think that you might have a safe life. You think you can learn from somebody else's mistakes. But we all know failed marriages. We all know people who have failed in love. We all see people breaking up all the time. But does that stop us from looking for love? No. Then why exactly are we trying to learn from somebody else's mistakes when we have the free will to make our own? Make mistakes. Do it for the plot. You know, it is still a cage, even if it is made of gold. I deny trading my freedom for a gold cage. I do not want that cage of gold. I'll build it for myself. Just that, I want my own wings. It'll be difficult. It'll definitely be difficult. You know, once you start making your own decisions, there's feeling of guilt. Guilt of not listening to my parents. There's feeling of fear. What if it doesn't work out? There's self-doubt. What if I couldn't do it? But that's all about it. It's not scary because it is wrong. You know, you come to college for the first time. It's scary. Is it wrong? You go to a board examination for the first time. It's scary. I go to Spain. It's scary because I cannot speak Spanish. Not because it is wrong. Only because it's new. It can feel scary. Do not give up on it. It can be scary, but that's the thrill. You have to start doing it. You know, people call great people crazy all the time. All the time. Be crazy. Just be crazy enough. After I decided, I'll do it for myself, I'll do it for the plot. Once you decide, I'll make my own decisions. Nobody directs me to do what I want to do. You expect everything to fall into place. Ab sab theek ho jayega. Now it's my decision. You know what happens next? Everything falls apart. Sab bigad jata hai. And that's exactly what happened to me. I thought I decided my own career. I did it my way. I'm in my favorite, whatever college I wanted, not favorite exactly. Life happens. So I thought it's going my way, everything's gonna be fine. And then I hit rock bottom. I felt like a failure. क्योंकि 3 साल degree तो हो गई. अब I never wanted to do a job, so no placements. I'd never sat for placement. I never wanted to pursue academics further, so I never enrolled for masters. What next? What should I do now? And that's when I faced failure. And failure teaches you what success never could. Failure will teach you what success will never ever tell you. It's patience. You understand that there's time to good things. Gradually you will understand you had to face it. Just only because you are doing it by your own free will does not mean it will work out. There'll still be struggle. You'll still have to face all the hurdles even if you are doing it by your own free will. And there were problems. But there comes a growth phase after all the chaos. And my page worked. All of a sudden, in a month, 0 to 1 lakh followers. I could not believe it. And I never ran after followers at that point. Because us point pe I just wanted survival. I thought, at least, roti sabji mein apne paise ki kama loon. At least I need to be that potential. And after that, everything started to work out. But the growth was gradual. You know, it never happens in a day. The biggest problem that our generation is facing together is that we see everything on the plate. You open your phone, you have everything right there. All the information, all the content. And that's what makes it difficult for us. Because we think it's out there, why am I not able to do it? Why is the other person able to do it? Why can't I do it? What's missing? Nothing's missing, man. Nothing's missing. Only because you have a lot of information to consume does not mean you have to consume it all. Does not mean you have to achieve it all today, right now. Growth is gradual. I started with 1 shlok a day. I posted 1 video every day for 2.5 years regularly. I never missed a day. I remember shooting at 1 o'clock at night. After coming back from Hyderabad, the flight and everything, and that first flight was taken because I started that page. I was invited for an event. All of that happens, but it takes time. And you know what comes next? Chaos ho gaya, growth ho gayi, there's payoff. I've never seen my father bragging stuff, you know. He buys something, he never tells anybody. He gets something, he never tells anybody. The first time I saw him telling somebody something was, I was live on Jio Hotstar Live, Ganesh Chaturthi, invited as a guest this year. He called all his friends, all his relatives and said, Gudiya TV pe hai. Turn the TV on. And not just my dad, my chachu. He called his neighbors to his house. Gudiya TV pe hai. The neighbors were like, what do I do then? But you know, that's what you learn from life. Your loved ones are there when you were failing. When you hadn't even decided what you want to fail at. They are there when you achieve something, and they are there today. I'm so grateful for life. I have people who love me when I'm a failure, when I'm a success, and when I'll fail again, I know I'll fail again. My family is there with me, my loved ones are there with me. You have to believe in yourself. And you know, all this pride, all this happiness, it is not because कि मैंने पापा को गलत prove किया. It is because मैंने खुद को सही prove किया. And that's what matters, do it for the plot. You know, after we face life in all its harsh forms, after we see, ठीक है, I've achieved enough, at least I've done something, then comes the universal truth. People start judging you. You know, half the audience is judging me. I know that. Before I started, people were judging me. While I'm doing it, people are judging me. Once I do it, people will judge me. How does that matter? I always tell everybody, I always tell myself, the society, the people, the relatives, the friends, they are all gonna die. Sab mar jayenge ek din. You and I are gonna die. How does it matter? People making jokes, they are gonna die. How does it matter? They are gonna joke about it today. They're gonna make fun of me today. Just because of that one opinion. I call it like this, opinion. Why do I make a decision of my lifetime? They're gonna talk about it, I'm gonna live it. Why do I get influenced by an opinion? And that's when I come to realize, make it make sense to you, nobody else. It should only make sense to you. You know, imagine, Shah Rukh Khan continued his economics honors, the same degree that I did. He would have been an academic. Great, great career. But he decided to do it for the plot. Imagine Mithali Raj. She had gotten married just like the society wanted her to. But she didn't. She decided to do it for the plot. All India Radio had accepted Amitabh Bachchan. Imagine. Great career, radio jockey. But the angry young man decided to do it for the plot. MS Dhoni, safe job, secure job, railways, everybody happy in the family, rishtedaaron ko bata denge, got a very good job. But he decided to do it for the plot. So my dear friends, you better do it for the plot. And in case you're imagining what the plot is, it is not a 250 gaj in Greater Noida, guys. Okay? This plot is your life. The life that you are going to design. You are going to write on your own. So you better do it for the plot. Because this is your story. And you have to write it on your own. My mother has taught me one great thing, you know. I've been talking about my father all this talk. My mother has taught me the greatest thing. Now, if I make my mother sit with anybody of you in the audience, anybody, she could talk to you. And I'm considering the language barrier as well. She has talked to a Tamilian who can speak only English, and my mother speaks broken English. And she has talked to that person using sign languages and objects and things, and I don't know what not. And I sometimes get concerned about her. Mama, you're not supposed to be talking to everybody about everything just like that. You know what does she tell me? That sounds like a you problem. You deal with it. That's just who I am. I will be like that. That's actually the best thing I've learned. This all comes to you, Mama, not me. And this is the best thing that I've learned in my life. If somebody has a problem with your personality, tell them, that's a you problem. And you know, when I say that, the older generation often thinks of me as disrespectful, badtameez. You do not consider our opinions. You do not think, what are we thinking? You do not respect us. No, it's not that. I respect you for your life. I respect you for your hard work. But I will not let your hard work and your experience control my life. I get to make my own mistakes, and I'll make them. I'll fail, I'll fall, and I'll rise again. Because I'll do it for the plot and make your story worth telling. A good story always has a villain. It always has a problem. What kind of life is it if it has no problems? If it is the safest road, what kind of life it is? We don't like movies which start with a hero, a heroine, they get married, done. What kind of movie is that? DDLJ was DDLJ because Bauji was there. Let's accept the fact. Let's face the truth. And when I talk of stories, let me finish the story I started. पंडित जी लड़की मुझ पे भारी है क्योंकि अपनी मर्जी चलाती है? फिर भारी कहाँ है? फिर तो मेरे जैसी है. That's the truth, Papa. मैं आपके जैसी हूँ. That's the truth, Mummy. मैं आपके जैसी बनना चाहती हूँ. Thank you so much, guys. Make your story worth telling. Make yourself love yourself. Thank you so much. This was Nikita.
Stage for the token of appreciation. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to call the convener, Dr. Renu, and the Vice President of TEDx Ramjas, Sanjayda Parashar, to felicitate the guest with a token of appreciation.
We thank Ma'am Nikita Tyagi for being a part of our event today. Indeed, her talks have been relevant with us, and we were able to know that whatever the society is, however the society is, it is us who shapes our destiny, and we don't need to care about the society. We just need to go for it, and we will achieve what we are only wanting. So let's have a thunder of applause for ma'am once again. Lawyers are people who read things you don't want to read and then tell you things that you want to hear.